Hello everyone, happy Navratras to all of you. For those who are fasting, here's a lovely recipe. Vrat Wale Kadhi Chawal. Very easy to make and I'm sure you're going to love this meal. It's very light on the stomach and so delicious. So let's get started.
Ingredients for kadhi. I have taken one large potato. You can take two small ones also. Boil, peel and cut them. Yogurt 3 tablespoons, about 100 grams. Cumin seeds 1 teaspoon. Sendha namak or rock salt as needed. Oil about 2 tablespoons. Grated ginger 1 teaspoon. Slit green chillies 2 or 3. Kokams 2 or 3 pieces, which is optional. Handful of coriander leaves. And then we have Samak Chawal or Barnyard millets 1 cup. They are gluten free and very healthy. Cumin seeds 1 teaspoon. Ghee or clarified butter 1 tablespoon. And Sendha namak rock salt to taste. Ingredients list is also shared in the description box. You can check it out. Now rinse the samak ke chawal very well, changing water several times. Set it aside. Put the boiled potato into a blender jar and yogurt 100 grams, which is about 3 tablespoons. This is 200 grams box. I have added half of it. Add 1 cup of water. We'll be adding more water later. Blend them together. Now let's make the curry. Take a pan and heat oil. Add the cumin seeds and allow them to crackle. Once they give out an aroma and change the color, add the crushed ginger, crushed or grated ginger. Give it a toss and let it cook until it changes the color. You can see now it is nearly done. Now add the green chilies, slit green chilies. Toss them a bit. Now stir in the blended mixture. Add some water to the blender jar and add it to the pan. This way all the potato and yogurt stuck to the jar will be used. Since this is yogurt based curry, you have to continuously keep stirring it. Now add kokams, 2 or 3 pieces, which are optional. And friends, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe, like it and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out all the notifications. Add some coriander leaves and continue to stir again. Check the salt, adjust if required. You can adjust the consistency also as per your liking. Total water added is 2.5 cups. This gives a nice and thicker consistency. If you want more, you can add half cup. Curry has started boiling very well. Half a minute more you can cook it while stirring it. It's done. Cover it and set it aside. Now let's cook the samak rice. Take a pressure cooker. Melt the ghee. Add the cumin seeds. Let them crackle a bit. Now add the soaked barnyard millets or samak ke chawal. If they are very well soaked, they cook very easily and you get a perfect texture. Add the salt. Now saute it a bit. This way all the grains will be coated with ghee and cooking process will be easier and the grains will remain separate. It will not become mushy. Now this is done. Let's add water. For 1 cup of rice, I am adding 1 cup of water. If you don't have time to soak them, then you add little more water. Say 1/4 cup more. Stir them well so that the salt is mixed. Bring it to a boil. Now close the lid. We are going to cook it for 2 whistles. Switch off the gas and let it cool down. After the pressure is released, you can open the lid. Look at this, perfect. It's not become mushy, it's just right. Separate it with the ladle. And finally the remaining ghee you can add. Even if you want little more ghee, you can add it. But this should be sufficient. For 1 cup, 1 tablespoon is sufficient. More ghee makes it heavier. Now you can enjoy this with Kadhi. Your Farali meal is ready. So check it out. This Navratras, you can make this meal one of the days. Also, you can have a look at my other Farali recipes. All the links are shared in the description box. Thank you for watching. Here are some videos from the archives. You can have a look at them too. See you soon. Bye until next.